you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is sponsored by DY Hair 777 and I will be reviewing a Vpart wig from them. I'll do the unboxing and show you guys what it's looking like as well as how to style it. So if you're new here, please hit subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Your comments are always welcome. Let me know what you think about the wig. Also, don't forget to share this video with anybody you think may be interested in a Vpart wig. Very easy to use. And turn your post notification bell on so you do not miss an upload. So this is the content of the bag. As usual, you know, HD wig cap, 2 pieces in the pack. This is their contact / hair care card. So on this side, it tells you how to care for the hair. And on this side, it's all their listed contact information. Now on to the sweet part. It's the wig. This is how it is packaged. And you know, the hair net to keep everything intact. So this is the 18-inch Cambodian kinky curly wig in color 1B and it's medium cap. All specification to this here, you guys, will be in the description box down below, as well as the discount code for money off, so don't forget to check that out. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. So we have the combs here for the installation at the top. We also have the adjustable strap, which you can take off if you want, but I suggest keeping it on. And of course the wig is new, so we have the tag here. We have also combs at the back, the regular combs that usually come in the wig, so you know, these regular ones for extra security, and these ones to secure the wig in place. Now if you look carefully at the parting, you will see that the weft is covered. So here we have the hair over it, so it looks natural when you install it. And guys, I love the curls. They are juicy, springy. It's really giving natural, you know, a really natural kinky look. I love that. And I love that the material of the cap is kind of breathable, so you don't have to worry about your head being hot. You can just feel comfy while wearing this wig. So far so good. So let's jump into the installation, which is pretty easy. So for my girls who want to wear a wig but you just don't know how to style it, like those lace wigs, you need to own a Vpart wig because it is so easy to install. Trust me, you don't even have to be an expert to install it. And it doesn't matter the hair type that you have. You don't need a leave out anyway because the weft is covered. You just need to put the hair as close as possible to your natural hair, and you don't need a leave out. I just put a leave out for it to look more, you know, like my scalp, but you don't need a leave out. You can just keep your corner. So the first thing I'm gonna do is adjust the wig to match my head so it can sit well, and to do that I'll just use this strap here and connect it to the closest one as possible. So right there, my straps are connected. I already adjusted my band. This looks like it will fit my head. Let's see. Okay guys, so it's pretty quick and easy to install, and look at it. I haven't done anything yet. It's just on my head and it looks beautiful. Like it looks like my hair. So I'm gonna style it now and, you know, show you guys what it's looking like. So I'll fluff it out first just to see how it's looking. So you see one side, and this is me playing around with the hair and it doesn't move. It's secured, intact. So you don't have to worry about manipulating the hair. So guys, this is style number 1 and it's pretty lightweight, as you can see, fluffed out. It feels like there's nothing on my head. so cute. In this state, it's looking very natural, and I love that. Let's wet the hair for style number 2 so you can decide which way you like to wear it. So guys, this is hairstyle number 2. We can style the hair in many different ways. So this is hairstyle number 3. So guys, we can style the hair, as you can see, in many different ways as you would style your own hair. Let me know in the comment section what styles you would use or what's your favorite style. Also, let me know what you think about this hair. I am loving it. I am in love with this hair. I love a curly hair. I love a hair that's short and manageable. It is bouncy, it is full, it is lightweight. So that's what I love. When the hair is not heavy on your head, you know, it feels like your natural hair. So that's definitely a plus. As stated before, all specifications to the hair will be in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel please guys if you are new, turn your post notification bell on. Until my next upload, bye.